Start with a lesson in your hometown if you're lucky enough to have a simulator like here in San Diego, California. It's warm, it's dry, it's a more controlled environment, and you will develop skills that will help you when you get to the mountains before you even go on your vacation. Then the second thing would be when you get to the snow, take a lesson from a professional instructor and let them help you learn the alpine environment, to get on and off the chairlift, to learn about the difference between the beginner's area and a green circle trail for a novice, a blue square run for an intermediate. Black diamonds are for advanced skiers. You should stay off of those for the first few times at least, if not the first season you're skiing, and things like that.